Imagine using only air to construct a house instead of heavy machinery or bricks. Doesn't that sound impossible? These inflatable dwellings, however, might make you reconsider. In the blink of an eye, your future dream house may be built, and it could even withstand strong explosions. The name Evolution perfectly reflects the advanced inflatable event structures this company manufactures. These massive setups require nothing more than pressurized air to become fully operational. Their ESP2400 model spans an impressive 4,306 square feet, inflates in roughly 4 hours, sustains wind speeds up to 55 miles per hour, and accommodates nearly 780 attendees. For larger gatherings, the Fluid Scarab model scales up to 8,396 square feet, holding a capacity of about 1,560 people. Both designs employ sealed air beam engineering, completely removing the need for central poles to guarantee an unobstructed, highly customizable interior. Built with fully waterproof exteriors, they feature specialized thermal and acoustic insulation while remaining compact enough to pack down easily for transport. The ESP2400 is configured with an open front fascia that serves beautifully as a professional stage canopy. Its expansive floor layout comfortably accommodates backstage entry, lighting grids, audio systems, and technical crew operations, alongside dedicated rear exits for seamless staff movement. Crucially, the sealed air beams maintain their pressure during electrical failures, backed by an audible voice alarm that grants a 45-minute window to re-establish power. These massive enclosures are deployed for public events, but can seamlessly transition into immediate emergency shelter for communities displaced by natural disasters. Once pressurized, the structure stands independently without a rigid metal skeleton, streamlining installation and simplifying compact storage. Built for repeated use, it features heavy-duty double stitching with triple or quadruple layering at high stress points and protective bands along the joints. The design allows for deep cosmetic personalization, using high-definition digital printing with a UV-resistant coating to prevent fading over time. The massive spider-style variant measures 32 feet across, is made of rugged PVC tarpaulin, weighs 198 pounds, and deflates into a 63 by 35 by 35 inch footprint, while the compact 16 by 8 foot version weighs just 22 pounds.
For roughly $1,700, you can grab a complete kit from Dathlon, choose your ideal campsite, secure it with heavy-duty anchors, and plug it into a power supply. The entire structure provides a generous 269 square feet of living space and self-inflates seamlessly via an integrated ventilation fan, requiring just a minimal framework and structural stakes to finalize the setup. The defining feature of this Dathlon-engineered shelter is its completely unobstructed panoramic view of the sky, making it perfect for stargazing or enjoying beautiful landscapes. This open design transforms the interior from a basic sleeping quarters into a relaxing lounge area. Space is another massive advantage. Unlike cramped backpacking tents, this model offers plenty of headroom to comfortably sit up, stretch out, and relax during calm weather. Its premium polycotton outer fabric provides a much softer, traditional feel compared to cheap plastic alternatives. Swapping out metal poles for pressurized air beams changes the setup dynamic entirely. And while Dathlon provides step-by-step instructional videos, the initial assembly can still feel a bit tedious. To prevent internal moisture buildup, the built-in fan operates continuously while the tent is occupied. Additionally, integrated side vents in the sleeping zone maintain consistent airflow, and opening them triggers a high-output boost mode on the fan, which does increase operating noise slightly.
Building concrete domes typically necessitates highly intricate and cost-prohibitive scaffolding systems. To resolve this issue, engineers at the Vienna University of Technology pioneered an alternative process using a flat concrete foundation pre-partitioned into specific sections. The system functions using a cured, segmented concrete slab, wedge-shaped intervals, an underlying inflatable air cushion, a perimeter steel tension cable, and tracking metal beams. In a university validation test, the lifting phase took roughly 2 hours, yielding a completed dome reaching approximately 9 feet high. Once the concrete hardens, the underlying air bladder is inflated to lift the central axis skyward, while the steel cable tightens to pull the outer boundaries inward. As the assembly rises, the wedge-shaped gaps compress until the separate panels interlock into a singular, unified shell. This breakthrough, known as the pneumatic wedge method, allows the seamless fabrication of curved concrete structures while completely bypassing the reliance on massive temporary timber frameworks. The iPool Go tent is an innovative shelter engineered to redefine the concept of traditional camping gear. Mirroring the architecture of a miniature cottage, it features a house-like silhouette with integrated windows and dimensions of 11 by 8 by 8 feet. This distinct geometry means that from afar or under low lighting, it can easily be mistaken for a permanent wooden or brick cabin. The interior footprint spans roughly 94 square feet, offering ample clearance to arrange bedding, sleeping gear, and seating without feeling crowded. Priced at approximately £94 with bundled hardware, this substantial unit is optimized for car camping or drive-up base camps rather than long backpacking treks. In place of traditional metal poles, it utilizes heavy-duty inflatable air beams that become incredibly rigid when pressurized. The manufacturer leverages advanced drop-stitch construction capable of holding up to 15 psi, ensuring robust structural integrity and wind resistance. Setting it up simply requires inflating the chambers, positioning the structure, anchoring the stakes, and securing the guy lines for a perfectly stable outdoor home.
This inflatable enclosure offers an exceptional alternative housing option that can be assembled quickly by simply attaching an air pump. While unfolding its massive frame initially requires a helping hand, the pressurized air beams completely eliminate the need for heavy metal skeletons. Constructed from a durable blend of PVC tarpaulin and Oxford fabric, this spacious $980 structure is versatile enough to host weddings, outdoor festivals, or large parties. The smooth surfaces are incredibly easy to clean, and the Oxford weave provides a premium textile texture that avoids a cheap plastic look. For an added futuristic touch, you can even pair this modern setup with an interactive robotic pet, an emerging tech trend designed to offer off-grid entertainment and practical assistance. While inflatable campers are cool, large-scale structures like Helio Operations Helicopter Hangar are on another level. This massive shelter deploys in just 10 minutes, using a pneumatic frame to create an open workspace. The system relies on an inflatable enclosure, an anchoring setup, a pressure control unit, an electric blower, and dedicated access doors for aircraft, vehicles, and emergencies. You can easily add LED lighting, ballast bags, heating, and internal power lines. In practice, these hangars keep operations moving by protecting aircraft during storage, inspections, and short-term maintenance. The clear span interior is the biggest win, completely eliminating internal columns, so aircraft, lifts, and ground equipment can move without obstruction. TDU Savuna Systems engineers inflatable shelters that are optimized for rapid military deployment, regardless of whether they are compact troop tents or massive hardware hangars. A standout innovation is their multispectral camouflage netting, the MS-DOC Scan, which is designed to evade detection across visible light, night vision, thermal imaging, and a wide frequency of radar tracking. For active operations, their mobile TMMCS system applies this advanced concealment technology directly to moving vehicles. This modular system is easy to install or remove, reduces solar heat buildup, fits custom vehicle profiles, and features interchangeable panels to match changing terrains. On the structural side, their inflatable mobile hangars provide heavy-duty defense for aircraft, ammunition, and logistical maintenance. Built with a modular PVC framework and durable exterior fabric, these defensive structures can be customized in tactical colors like khaki, beige, or white to seamlessly blend into specific field environments. While standard camping trailers often expand at the push of a button, the military-grade trailer system from MGS requires a much more heavy-duty deployment process. The setup involves operating a mini crane to lower a massive cargo bundle, which is then carefully laid out across the designated ground before being inflated by a high-output pump. This creates an expansive shelter capable of accommodating over 12 personnel. This Mobile Shelter System Trailer, SSST, consolidates equipment from 3 specialized companies. MGS Incorporated provides the trailer, Federal Fabrics Fibers supplies the airbeam tent, and TechGuard delivers the generator and environmental control unit for heating and cooling. By integrating the shelter, climate systems, ducting, and power cables into a single towable unit, it eliminates the logistical hassle of hauling separate cargo loads. Once on site, the crew can rapidly transform the trailer into a functional hub for command operations, communications, field maintenance, emergency response, or medical aid. This aligns perfectly with the expertise of Denver, Pennsylvania-based MGS Incorporated, which specializes in engineered trailers, fuel tanks, air compressors, and mobile power platforms built for demanding field missions.